This quick guide will show you how to replace your reverse osmosis membrane, recommended every 36 months. Turn off the cold water supply line. Turn off the reserve tank. Open the drinking faucet to release any residual pressure. Tip: keep rags nearby to catch any excess water during the process. The reverse osmosis membrane is located at the center of the system. For easier access, temporarily remove Cartridge A, which sits directly above the membrane housing. If you're scheduled to replace Cartridges A and B, this is a convenient time to do so. Once Cartridge A is removed, disconnect the tubing connected to the reverse osmosis housing cap. Then unscrew the cap. It may be tight due to residual pressure. Carefully pull out the membrane by its middle stem. It may be snug due to pressure. If needed, use a suitable tool to help pull it out. Discard the old membrane. Insert the new membrane, ensuring it is fully seated and secure. Replace the cap and hand tighten it. Reconnect the tubing. Reinstall any cartridges removed during the process. Close the drinking faucet valve. Turn on the cold water supply and the reserve tank. Your Pono revival system is now ready for use. As always, inspect for leaks, particularly at all connection points that were reconnected during the replacement process.